Are you starting a business or looking to expand your business with new product offerings? In order to get an image onto a clipboard, we'll show you what you need and how to do it with Epson dye sublimation technology. In order to get your printed image onto a clipboard, here's what you need. A 24-inch wide Epson F570 dye sublimation printer, a pair of heat gloves, some scissors, heat transfer tape, a blank clipboard, a heat press 20 by 25 or larger, and some craft paper. Once you have the finished design for your clipboard, this is how to send it to the F570 printer. For Windows users, click the print button. Check Choose Paper Source by PDF page size if it is not already checked. Choose Properties. Select the media type setting that matches the paper you loaded. If you want to use paper settings that have been set in the printer's control panel, select Use Printer Settings. Click OK, then click Print to send the file to the printer. For Mac users, click the Print button. Check Choose Paper Source by PDF page size if it is not already checked. Click Printer. Choose Printer Settings. Select the media type setting that matches the paper you loaded. If you want to use paper settings that have been set in the printer's control panel, select Use Printer Settings. Click Print, and click Print again to send the file to the printer. And now let's cut our paper down to size. And now we're ready to attach our clipboard onto our print with heat transfer tape. Before we place our item onto the heat press, let's set a piece of craft paper on top. Now we'll take our clipboard and we'll flip it over so that the paper is on top. We'll set another sheet of craft paper on top of that, and now we're ready to press it. We're pressing at medium pressure, 400 degrees for 60 seconds, and when the timer's done, it'll alert us. When the press is done, open it slowly. Since the clipboard item is very hot, we're going to wear our heat gloves to remove it. Let's first remove our craft paper, and now let's carefully remove our clipboard. So now we just need to remove our heat transfer tape, and we're done.